Thomas has a branch line. Many engines and vehicles work there. One day, Thomas met Harold, a snobby and snooty railway or out of gates. Thomas was passing by and tipped him. Hello, I'm Thomas. How are you doing, Harold? Harold looked past and blew dust all over Thomas. That's true! He felt his claw in his funnel. Thomas was furious the next time he saw Stone and told him all about it. Can you believe the nerve of that helicopter buzzing around like he owns the place? Wished an angry Thomas. Hope it wasn't legal. Well, maybe you should break some crossing. That seemed to work for him, or you could wish him. How's that work, Toby? I'll take matters into my own hands. Of the way, Toby chuckled to himself. Once pondered all day, calm around through that. He soon saw Harold again, and he decided to race him. Oh, hello, Harold. Having nice travels up there? What do you mean, Steve? Help with pulling some bouts if you want out me to carry. Let's race it on. Bye, Willie Bird. Thomas and Harold each a horse. Thomas looked up, cast a net to see Harold alone. Only if I push harder once. Now we're doing out. Where Thomas himself? Thomas is right. Harold loved to swim to Thomas's face. Meet up next time, Papa, or in 2 weeks. So nobody helps. Then Harold took off, along even more different. Darn helicopter. One of these days, Thomas off to other world. Left the day. Thomas stop thinking of Harold. Then, when he went to bed, still glumly thought Thomas helped him pressing side. Whoa, I see you found out that your own railroad. Before Harold could finish, Thomas shrieked through a monkey big achoo! That was funny. Stinging billowed everywhere. Scared. Flew off, thinking Thomas would be killed. Puffed away.